going to make salad with these ingredients. So I've got avocado, 2 avocado, 1 red cabbage, 3 carrots, and then lettuce. Everything is washed. Let's start off with the lettuce. Red, our red cabbage. I'm only going to use half. Okay, and then I'll slice it. Let's finish off with the avocado. This is looking lovely. The reason why I haven't added the avocado to this mixture yet is because the avocado can get very messy. So I'm going to dress this up before I mix everything together. I'll start off with 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. This is 1 lemon juice. I'll add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. That's my apple cider vinegar. And then 1 teaspoon of honey. This half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper. I'll mix everything together. My salad dressing is ready. Next, I'll pour it on top of this. Then I'll mix everything together. I had to transfer to a bigger bowl to give me enough space for the mixing. Okay, so that's all mixed. And I can tell you the taste is wow. Okay, so next we're gonna add the avocado. Once you add avocado, you don't need too much mixing because you don't want it to look messy. Okay. That's all done. Nice and dusted. Wow. Healthy. That's Kitchen Romance presenting you your complete meal. Please click on the thumbs up if you like this video. leave a comment, express your emotions, okay, and your thoughts about this video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that anytime new videos are uploaded, you'll be the first to receive them. Above all, share with your friends so that we can reach as many people as possible and equip them for purpose and better marriage. And see you in my next video.